Midway between the practical and inexpensive IKEA Dimpa bag and the robust but cumbersome hard case, the Vincita Sightseer provides peace of mind while being compact and light enough to attach on the bike during your travels. The latest version, the fourth generation of the Sightseer, retains the advantages of the previous model while introducing noticeable improvements. Let's review some of the basic features of the Sightseer. Designed specifically for the Brompton, it's within the mandatory linear dimensions for aircraft checked baggage, avoiding oversized surcharges. Empty, it weighs 3.8 kilograms. It's built around a corrugated plastic rectangular base that is 16 centimeters high and 10 millimeters thick, with 5 millimeters padded weather-resistant soft sidewalls. An optional garment bag wraps around the bicycle to protect it from side and top impact. Its 3 zippered compartments can store a total of 20 liters of clothing or padding material. It adds 800 grams to the weight of the Sightseer. The bag is large enough to accommodate A, C, and P-line bikes without removing the seat or pedals, but you may have to rotate large ergonomic hand grips. For added peace of mind, we remove the 2 hinge clamps and store them in the internal zippered pocket. We also use this pocket to store items that are not permitted in the cabin, such as knives or tools. The bag closes with a large YKK zipper, and the load is further secured with 2 compression straps, one of which serves as a padded handle to pull the wheeled bag. The removable caster wheels enable easy handling of the bag around the airport. They are robust and provide a very smooth ride. This can be practical when airport luggage carts are difficult to find or expensive. When not in use, the wheels can be easily removed and stored in the internal pocket. Note, a separate padded pouch is no longer supplied with this version. The latest version also replaced the 2 shoulder straps previously hidden on each side of the bag with a more comfortable backpack harness. When in use, the load can be further stabilized using waist and chest straps. This setup is particularly useful when the ground surface cannot accommodate wheels, for example in buildings with a lot of stairs. Distributing the load over both shoulders makes it possible to carry the Sightseer over longer distances than the previous version. For lifting the bag off the ground, a hidden internal strap replaces the older version carry handle that was susceptible to failure, as discussed in a previous video. Once folded, the new Sightseer uses the relocated buckles to keep the contents secured without the need for an extra strap around the bag. You can carry the bag on your Brompton in various ways, depending on your preference. A 26 by 40 centimeter luggage frame can be used to attach the bag to the front luggage block, as shown here when we cycled from the Montreal airport. In this case, we attached the Vincita Atlas bag on the rear rack and reused its frame on the Sightseer. Alternatively, we could have attached the Sightseer on the rear rack, either horizontally or vertically, using a carabiner and a strap in this case. With the release of version 4.0, we are pleased to see Vincita continuously improving its Sightseer bag. The new concealable backpack harness and enhanced folding mechanism make it easier to handle on and off the bike. While no solution is totally foolproof, and given enough time, airline baggage handlers will find ways to damage any bag, we feel the Sightseer offers an excellent compromise between robustness and touring flexibility. We're glad to report that both the Sightseer 4.0 and the Brompton it contained returned intact from their flights between Europe and Canada earlier this year. How do you pack your Brompton for air travel? Watch some of our previous videos on the subject and share your experience in the comments section below. We're Pam and Gilbert from 2 Bikes for Adventure.